So they're mutual. So this is the beauty of our fortune as being Gaudiya Vaishnavas. We get the blessings and the kripa and the karuna of Audharya Bhagavan. Audharya Bhagavan Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki Jai. Audharya means without considering anything, compassion. Overflowing compassion, just compassion for everyone, no consideration, no distinction, no discrimination. Everyone gets the mercy. So the Audharya, all the lilas of Krishna and Radharani are woven into Gaur Lila. But woven in the lilas of Radha and Krishna, which Gaur is experiencing in his Gaur Lila, is the Audharya, the kripa and the mercy and compassion for the surrendered Gaudiya Vaishnavas to submerge themselves. Radha Krishna Lila Magana, Radha Krishna Lila Magana, they can deeply submerge themselves in the bhavas and feelings of the gopis and Krishna by the mercy of Gaur and Gaur Lila. That's why Lord Chaitanya has personally revealed all these leelas in the hearts of Srup Damodar, and Srup Damodar revealed all these teachings and leelas in the heart of Raghunath Das Goswami. And if it wasn't for Raghunath Das Goswami, we wouldn't know about Gaur Chandrika, we wouldn't know about the principle of Gaur Lila bringing us into Krishna Lila. And we wouldn't be able to write about it and glorify it. The Padakartas, they glorify the Gauranga Arnava, Gaur Rasa Arnava, the rasa-filled ocean of Gaur Lila, brings us up to the lotus feet of Krishna. So Raghunath learned all these leelas and heard all these leelas, and he directly witnessed all these leelas himself, and he heard from Srup Damodar. And he came to Shamakund, and he told all these leelas and revealed everything he collected to Krishnadas Kaviraj. And then Krishnadas Kaviraj made a joint venture with Madan Gopal. And Madan Gopal wrote this book. Thakurji Madan Gopal wrote the Chaitanya Charitamrita using the hand of Krishnadas Kaviraj. So this is our fortune.